So when we brought the cows over into this area this morning, we brought about 30 new ones over, and when I come over to bring them out of there, there was 5 new calves. 5 of them had actually had calves in there this morning. This was the last one. I thought it was a little bull calf because it's a very nice calf, but it's actually a little heifer. She's doing really well. So what I did, because she'd just been born when I wanted to get the rest of them out, I left her in there with the mum because she was still a little bit wobbly on her legs. So just got her out now, and they're going to be very happy in here with the others tonight. So these are the first lot of potatoes that we put in. They're all out in flower now, the whole lot of them. So the ones over, or a few of them over that side over here, look just a little bit spindly, but if we can get a good rain tomorrow night, I think should be able to bulk them out like these ones here. But pretty happy with them after the problems that we had earlier on with the weather. All right, down here, this was our 3rd lot, I think, that we put in. They've just about caught up with the others, and they're looking really good too. And then over here, we have, I think, another 2, 4, 6, another 8 rows just coming up here. And I figured down here, because there's a dip here, a lot of water drains in here over summer. Well, not a lot, but any water that we get drains in here over summer. Hopefully it'll keep it moist and keep the potatoes growing. Down here I've just tried a few sunflower seeds, sort of put them in the centre of the potatoes, because I thought, well, maybe it'll keep the kangaroos out of them. And then in here somewhere we've got some carrots. And then up here we've got some corn emerging at the moment, sweet corn. So hopefully with a bit of luck it will all grow. Don't know if you can see the rows coming up there, but they're looking really good at the moment. And their pink eyes over there. These couple of rows up here are tennybecks. So we do have about another 30 kilos of pink eyes to go in, and another 60 of kennybecks to go in. But all in all, after the start that we had, I'm pretty pleased with the way things have gone. So we've got about 3 weeks to go until we start to harvest. So as I said, it's looking pretty promising. Tomorrow or the next day we're supposed to get between 20 and 40 mils of rain, and that'll be just fantastic if we do, because the potatoes are flowering. That's when they really need the water on them, and if we can get that sort of rain, it'll really give them a boot along. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed the video. I've enjoyed making it for you, and take care, be safe, and we'll see you next time.